Hey, it's Sergeant Locksmith here. All right, we've got our 3-button Hyundai remote. We're going to change the battery on this. Here's 2 buttons up front, button in the back. Simple process. All you're going to need is a flat tip screwdriver, and you should be done in under 2 minutes. But this ain't no timed event. You can leave the keys on because it's not going to cause any issues. Now, if you look at the top of your remote, you'll see that indentation right here. Go ahead and put your flat tip screwdriver in there. Just go and twist it. And you notice the back opens up. I like to have the emergency button up when I do this, and I'll show you why. When you open the remote up, you notice that rubber piece stayed in, but this one came out. It's easier to put the one back in. Just go ahead and put it in, and you'll notice it drops in. And if it doesn't, pull it back out and reset it. It's simple. This one here, you can see wants to be a little temperamental, but there we go. It's in. Now, when you pop out your circuit board, if your circuit board here is sticky at all, go ahead and remove this rubber piece. You can pop it out just like so. Wash it with warm water, and it'll be good as new. Don't use no harsh chemicals because it can cause an issue. Go ahead and take your flat tip screwdriver, and if you look, you'll see these little metal tabs bent down. Then you've got almost half of it not showing. That's the direction we want to push the battery. So we'll go ahead right here and push in. Notice we're avoiding those. We don't want to break that. Got the battery out. It's a CR2032 battery. We're going to use the same battery again because these are the new remotes we're using. Positive side up, just slide it in. Battery's in. When you set down the circuit board inside the rubber, you can notice how it seats in there. Go ahead and take the back, fold it over, and gently squeeze. And you notice we're done. If the vehicle's not by either your remote, you should be able to push it and you'll see the red light. There you go, you've just changed the battery. Hey, thanks again for watching another Sergeant Locksmith video. If you would give us a thumbs up if this video helped you, and let's stay safe out there.